Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Shirogorov RJ Martin collaboration, Russian Overkill. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying this kind of content. What do you think, guys? This is a pretty interesting one. That's your certificate of authenticity, and this is your Russian Overkill, very cool knife in the house. It is a very interesting one. It's a titanium frame lock. There's only 200 made of this beauty. You can actually see that this guy is not really a small one, because the overall length of this one is going to be 9 inches with a almost 4-inch long blade, like 3, I would say, yeah, probably 4-inch long blade, tad less. The milling on this one is outstanding. There's some micro milling going on, very fine, only on this side. Flat is just flat, there's no milling. Of course, this is replicated in the back of the knife. Look at this. And of course, you have all the goods, all the goodies that you can get from a custom division. Shirogorov, for example, you've got blue anodized titanium, blue like dark gray, bluish kind of color, anodized pivot collars, backspacer, geared 3D milled, as well as the pocket clip, and as well as the custom division screws over there. Really nice touch. You have M398 super steel employed in this beautiful dual tone finish blade. Nice thumb ramp. The jimping is it's there, and also on the back spacer right here. Very cool. It's titanium frame lock. It's running on single row roller bearings, and it's weighing in at 4.6 ounces, which for a big boy like this is fantastic. In fact, you can admire the internal skeletonization going on there. Very cool. It's a limited edition, of course, like all the collaboration with other makers from Shirogorov, but I have to say the grip on this one it's just very good. The flipper tab is sticking out a little bit too much for my taste. I'm not really a fan of this guy. And also you've got a lanyard hole just drilled through that. So basically these two are probably going to be my only gripes. The blade is sitting very nicely and deep down there. Overall, you have a very cool and well-made knife for sure right over here. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.